Hello students, today we discuss about graphical method in linear programming problem. First of all, we discuss some special cases in graphical method. If we found the bounded region by the restrictions and non-negativity conditions which are given in these two figures, these are the bounded region of the restrictions and non-negativity conditions. So, if this given given region is not feasible, then we cannot find the solution through graphical method, or we cannot solve the LPP using graphical method. So, first of all, infeasible solution, we define infeasible if wrong formulation of an LPP results into inconsistent constant and no value of the variable satisfy all the constants simultaneously. In such case, the linear programming problem is said to have no feasible solution or infeasible solution. Infeasibility depends only on the constant and has nothing to do with the objective function. From the given restrictions and non-negativity condition, we find the bounded region. The shaded region is bounded by the restrictions and non-negativity condition. If any region, in any region we take 2 points and we meet through a straight line, the given straight line is also lie in the same region. If we take these 2 points and we meet these through a straight line, if all these complete line lie in the given region shaded area, then we say that this is feasible. If any part of the line outside the shaded area, then we say that these are infeasible region. If we have infeasible region, then we say that this is infeasible solution. So, for infeasibility we can assign through these straight line. If we take 2 points and meet through a straight line, all the complete line lie in the shaded area, or we say that in bounded region, then we say that this is feasible. Otherwise, it is infeasible. If region bounded by the restrictions and non-negativity condition is infeasible region, then we say that the given LPP has infeasible solution or no solution. Second is unbounded solution. If the bounded region is unbounded up to infinity, that means this restriction says that the region is this side and this restriction says region is this side. So, this part of the region is unbounded and above infinity. If LPP is maximization, maximize the Z, maximize the profit. If the region is unbounded, then we have the solution is also unbounded solution. We say that only unbounded solution, no particular solution we mention in the answer. So, these are the, if the bounded region by the restrictions and non-negativity condition is unbounded and case is maximization, then we say that this is unbounded solution. If in unbounded region the LPP is minimization, minimize the Z, then we find the solution, one unique solution through point corner method. So, unbounded solution lie in the unbounded region and when objective function is maximize the profit on this case. So, next, multiple optimal solution. So, multiple optimal solution, if more than one point optimize the objective functions for the same value, then we say that this is the optimal solution. That means in bounded region, in shaded region, so many points are give the maximize the objective functions and same value, then we say that this is multiple optimal solution. So, these three conditions are in this chapter. We can define infeasibility, unbounded region, multiple optimal solution. Fourth one is redundancy. Redundancy, if any restriction does not affect on the bounded region, shaded area in the LPP. So, we say that this restriction is redundant here. So, redundancy is if any restriction does not affect the bounded region, feasible region, any restriction does not affect the feasible region, then we say that there is redundancy. So, first we take the example using point corner method, we solve the problem, and this one is the first example. Maximize the Z and there are two restrictions and no negativity condition. First of all, we find the bounded region by these two restrictions. So, first of all, we take these 3x plus 5y equal to 15 and we make a table like that, x and y. If x is 0, then y is this. If x is 0 in first restriction, then y is 3. If y is 0, then x is 5. So, using these coordinates, we find the first restrictions, first line draw on the graph. First line draw on the graph. Similarly, we can find second line. So, this is the first line, this is the first line, and this one is the second line. This is the second line, this one is the first line. Plot on the graph using these points, coordinates, and after that we find the corner points. There are 4 corner of the feasible region. First one is this, second one is this, third one is this. So,